Hi, I'm Alita Hubble, and I'm a Global Partner Marketing Manager at Elastic. Critical business decisions must be made quickly and accurately for companies to stay ahead. Cloud analytics combined with the power of search provides AI-driven actionable insights to help organizations remain resilient, navigate market disruption, and adjust to customer trends, all while staying compliant with the latest GDPR requirements. Elastic, the leader in search-powered solutions, can help you overcome endless data to find what you're looking for to accelerate the results that matter. In this on-demand webinar, we'll hear from Elastic expert Brian Bergholm on how Elastic search-powered solutions bring together intelligent content search, IT observability, and security analytics to help you access the data you need to make decisions quickly and precisely. So Brian, we've seen in research that analysts spend more than 40% of their time on data analytics projects just finding and preparing data. What's the impact here and what can be done to improve?
Yes, Alita, it is really astonishing how much inefficiency exists across the industry. For all the zettabytes of data companies have amassed to date, surprisingly little of it is being used efficiently. In fact, most of the data winds up in silos of various kinds. When individuals are spending nearly half of their time simply gathering and organizing data, it means they have that much less time to actually analyze the data to derive insights. This results in an organization losing competitiveness and falling behind. At Elastic, we're seeing three major industry trends, each with associated impacts. First, information is becoming harder to find. There's just so much data. And this inability to find information costs the average enterprise $2.5 million per year. Second, enterprise IT is becoming harder to keep performant. And system downtime, it costs the average enterprise $1.5 million per hour. And third, cyber threats are becoming harder to prevent. And these data breaches can cost the average enterprise $3.8 million per incident. Now, these are average costs, but the actual cost to an organization could be much higher. Adding all these together, it accrues to millions of dollars of unnecessary costs. At Elastic, we're the leading data analytics platforms for search-powered solutions. And our mission is to help everyone find what they're looking for to accelerate the results that matter to them. We have solutions in enterprise search, observability, and security that help enhance your search experience and keep your mission-critical applications running smoothly, and also protect against cyber threats. So we can help reduce those costs I mentioned earlier, and we're delighted to partner with Google Cloud on these efforts.
What are the advantages of a single integrated platform for search versus point solutions?
This is one of those age-old conundrums in the tech industry. Do I go for an all-in-one solution that perhaps lacks some of the functionality I need? Or do I try to cobble together several good point solutions that meet my needs, but may have integration issues? At Elastic, we have one integrated platform comprising three solutions: Elastic Enterprise Search, Observability, and Security. And each solution area contains functionality to help customers find value in data. We believe our integrated platform carries several advantages over trying to use various point solutions. Some of these include integrations and visualizations of data. Specifically, Elasticsearch service on Google Cloud has three key benefits that overshadow multiple point solutions: speed, scale, and relevance. From a speed standpoint, you can find matches in milliseconds within both structured and unstructured data sets. And you can scale massively, literally across hundreds of systems. And perhaps most importantly, you can generate highly relevant results that allow you to derive actionable insights from your data. So in other words, you have fast queries across all your data to get you to the insights you need. Now, a single platform also leverages feature synergies. For example, the Elastic Stack leverages a common schema, which defines a common set of fields and objects to ingest data into Elasticsearch. Having a common schema or data model in the platform enables you to look at the same data through multiple lenses. This enables cross-source analysis of a diverse data, which overcomes the huge stumbling block of siloed data I mentioned earlier. We've also built our machine learning suite so that ML capabilities can be leveraged across all three solution areas: search, observability, and security. Lastly, we invest in platform technologies to help drive down the total cost of ownership. For example, searchable snapshots is a feature that allows you to store data in low-cost object storage. This helps you by reducing the amount of data you need to ingest across solutions.
So Brian, what is the most critical challenge that arises when using search-powered technologies, and how does Elastic address it?
As data volumes increase and the world becomes more connected through the power of technology, the need for greater protection of sensitive information grows. So the topic of data privacy and sovereignty is paramount. When organizations fall short of best practices and compliance measures for data privacy, like not sufficiently protecting sensitive information, the potential for negative impact on that organization or business has been made clear. There's a loss of brand reputation, loss of customer loyalty, and of course, steep fines and penalties. So whether it be protecting customers' financial health, safeguarding personal medical information, tackling information sharing in the manufacturing industry, or even defending governmental intelligence, the nuances of each sector require individual attention. Elastic takes data sovereignty very seriously. We've invested to ensure Elastic is operating in compliance with the principles of GDPR and other standards you see on this slide. In fact, Elastic Cloud is available in 17 Google Cloud regions. And this allows you to place applications where the data lives and supports local data sovereignty and governance requirements. As a result, you can rest assured that Elastic Cloud is the most secure place to run your Elastic workloads.
What should IT leaders look for in an integrated search solution, and what are the key ingredients for success?
One of our board members, Shelley Leibowitz, shared a thought recently that resonated with me. You can see the quote here. She said, "You know you are successful when the information you have available surprises you with insights that aren't obvious, that you wouldn't have had otherwise, and that you didn't have in the past. When those insights are actionable and productive, then you are achieving excellence." I think that's one of the key litmus tests for an integrated search solution. Do you have these aha or eureka moments that you simply didn't have before? A couple of factors play into that. With one stack, we're able to innovate faster, so you can search, analyze, and visualize data in real time. As mentioned before, with search, observability, and security all on one platform, you can achieve lower total cost of ownership. And third, the flexibility of Elastic as a platform means that the same underlying technology can serve a broad range of challenges and use cases for companies across the globe. And this results in a higher return on investment for your IT spend.
So Brian, what are the most important security considerations for a search-powered technology solution?
This is such a crucial question, Alita. With digital transformation and cloud migration, remote working, supply chain complexity, like all of these have contributed to the expansion of the attack surface. And as IT environments grow and multiply, stopping threats at scale is hard. Organizations must apply sufficient security controls or they risk real damage. Some of the most important security considerations are highlighted by 4 vital SecOps use cases: continuous monitoring, automated threat protection, investigation and response, and threat hunting. And so to maintain a secure IT environment, not only do you need to block malware and ransomware on every endpoint, you also need to be able to thwart complex attacks when they do occur. So by using advanced search analytics, you can leverage petabytes of data enriched with threat intelligence to glean the insights you need to protect your organization. Search also helps mitigate cyber threats by exposing unfolding attacks, by correlating diverse data. We use machine learning algorithms and natural language processing capabilities and other tools to better understand context and meaning from a wide array of data types and formats. All of this helps your SecOps team to quickly identify issues. Then, coupled with security tools like case management and powerful security automations, your organization is enabled to respond rapidly when threats do arrive. I think it's also important to remember that detection is only the start. Investigation is one of the most time-consuming activities performed by security analysts. And that's why Elastic Security includes cloud security as an integral part of the overall solution, with a single pane of glass to manage the overall deployment. Fundamentally, cybersecurity is a data challenge, and better search technology is key to improving visibility in action. It equips your security teams to prevent, detect, and respond to threats at cloud scale and speed.
Brian, connect the dots for us that tie together powerful integrated search and better business outcomes.
Yes, this is an important point because if technology doesn't improve business outcomes, then what's the point? We actually commissioned a study a few months ago and surveyed more than 1,400 Elastic customers across 62 countries. The goal was to determine the business results Elastic is helping our customers achieve. I'll highlight just a few examples. Customers reported that the Elastic Search platform resulted in 68% reduction in costs through tool consolidation, which I mentioned earlier, a 65% reduction in cybersecurity threats. And customers also reported an average of 62% improvement in top-line sales revenue. Elastic Cloud benefits included a 72% reduction in downtime, 71% reduction in data center overhead costs. And customers also reported an average of 71% acceleration in time to market of new solutions. All of these benefits accrue to serious gains in top-line revenue, productivity, and cost reduction, not to mention improvements in customer satisfaction, e-commerce metrics, and threat protection. I encourage listeners to download the report from the Elastic website because the Elastic platform really does drive success through profitability.
Well, you've provided a lot of useful information. Are there any final thoughts you'd like to share?
Yes, thank you for that, Alita. Google Cloud and Elastic have been, in a relationship, ongoing relationship that allows you to take advantage of the innovative services that Google's developing, while also leveraging the data analytics and search-powered solutions of Elastic. And this close partnership with Google Cloud enables our customers to have the best of both worlds, a secure, reliable platform through Google Cloud, and the power to build customized searches, explore data, and implement data security measures through Elastic to help you derive real-time insights that drive actionable decisions. Lastly, we're fully integrated with Google Cloud through the Marketplace console. By using Elastic via Google Cloud Marketplace, customers have access to the following. Using Elastic through Google Cloud Marketplace draws down against a Google Cloud commitment. Customers can monitor and analyze their Elastic spend from the billing and usage page within the Elastic Cloud console and manage their Elastic subscriptions directly from Google Cloud Marketplace, as well as receive a single consolidated bill. Lastly, from a technology perspective, you can run your Elastic workloads on customized Google Cloud VMs that are optimized for different use cases and take advantage of exclusive integrations like BigQuery. The speed of innovation right now is really amazing. Thankfully, there are great technologies like Google Cloud and Elastic, which can help you harness the challenges of data to accelerate the results that matter to your organization. So here are a couple of steps you can take to learn more about Elastic. First, we always encourage you to schedule a meeting with either your Google Cloud representative or your Elastic representative if you have a particular need or project you'd like to discuss. If you want to test it out and deploy a project, head over to the Google Cloud Marketplace and spin up an Elastic deployment and test it out. Lastly, we have a number of knowledge base resources that you can access on Elastic Academy. And of course, if you have any questions or need help, our sales teams are very aligned to offer you a seamless purchasing experience. And with that, thank you, Alita, for hosting, and thank you for joining us for this webinar. Have a fantastic Elastic day.